back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, creamy avocado dressing. Perfect for any occasion. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have here salt, black pepper, garlic cloves, plain yogurt, avocado oil, cilantro, spinach, serrano chilies or jalapenos, the ones you have at home, avocados, and lemons. This is everything we need to make this delicious, creamy avocado dressing. So let's get started. I want to start here first with my cilantro. What I'm going to do is just chop it a little bit so when I add it to my blender doesn't work too hard. I'm going to put all my ingredients here. I have my spinach, and now I am getting my serrano chilies. The serrano chilies I have washed and rinsed them very good. I took the stems off and now I'm just dicing them in small little pieces. Like I said, you want to make sure that you cut the serrano chili so when you start blending them, everything incorporates perfectly. And now I have my organic lemons here. When I say organic, they are from my garden. So I'm using 3 of them and I'm going to get the juice of these 3 lemons. Let me put them aside. They're small, but they have a lot of juice. Look at this. One by one until I obtain all the delicious juice of the lemon. I have about half a cup of lemon juice. I'm going to put it aside and I am going to continue. I have here my 4 garlic cloves and I'm going to start just cutting it in small pieces. You don't need to really dice it, but just cut every single one maybe in 3 or 4 pieces so that they really blend really good when you add it to your blender. And now here I have my avocado. This avocado is organic. And like I said, when I say organic, I have an avocado tree and I cut them a week ago and now they are perfectly ripe. Look at this. They are so creamy. It's just amazing. And they are large. Or let me tell you the truth, they are extra large because they're really big and they're very creamy from the inside. I'm using 2 avocados. And look at this. Every single one looks amazing from the inside. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my blender. I'm going to start adding the cilantro, the spinach. I'm going to start adding the chile serrano. Remember, if you don't like it too spicy, you could add jalapeno. I have my garlic cloves here. Now that I'm adding all this, I'm adding the juice of the lemon. I'm adding the avocado oil, the Greek yogurt, no flavor. Of course, any kind of yogurt you have at home, if it's unflavored. And now I am ready to start scooping out all the delicious avocado pulp. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to enjoy this delicious dressing. This dressing goes with anything. It goes with tacos, it goes with pasta, it goes with nachos, you name it. It's so delicious with anything you want to add this dressing into. A delicious salad, chicken salad. Well, now I have everything here and I'm just going to blend out. blended for about 5 to 6 minutes, and look how creamy and thick this dressing is. Of course, if you want it more runny, just add a little more avocado oil. Look at this. This will last in the refrigerator for about 1.5 weeks. I have boiling water. I'm adding some salt, adding a little bit of vegetable oil, and of course I'm adding some pasta because I want to enjoy this dressing with pasta. You're gonna see how this delicious pasta is gonna come out. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's al dente. Okay, now I'm ready to pour some of this dressing here in this plate, and of course add the pasta. Look at this. Like I said, this dressing goes with anything. I'm just gonna cover the pasta completely, and then I am ready to enjoy it. But before I say I want to enjoy it and take my time, let me taste it to see how it tastes with the salt. What is the flavor? Oh my gosh, let me see. This is amazing. This is just perfection made at home. I am ready for the presentation. I even added a little pieces of the aguacate right on the top, and I can't wait to enjoy. I hope, my friends, you make it and enjoy it with your family. This looks amazing. I'll see you in a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy this pasta. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious creamy avocado dressing. You could use it almost in anything. I added some pasta to it, and you know that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my delicious recipes. Well, excuse me. And with little pieces of avocado, perfection. It's nice and creamy. Like I said, you could add this dressing on anything. And I added it to this delicious pasta. Really nice and creamy, a little spicy, but you know something, just perfection. You know that when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Love you guys. See you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.